Rahul Gandhi versus Election Commission has escalated. This after Lok Sabha leader of opposition has doubled down on his poll-rigged charge. He has now said that if the poll body has nothing to hide, why is it not answering the questions mentioned in his article? Not just that, he has also asked the poll body to release the voter rolls for the recent elections of all states, including Maharashtra. Earlier, the Election Commission rejected Rahul Gandhi's Maharashtra polls rigged claim and said that he is defaming the poll body after receiving an unfavorable verdict from the voters and that it is absurd. It also asserted that the Congress leaders shouldn't spread misinformation and demotivate the election staff. BJP, meanwhile, has dismissed Rahul Gandhi's remarks and has accused him of spreading falsehoods, also fearing loss in Bihar. It has also asked him not to defame the institutions without any solid proof. Rahul Gandhi earlier said that 2024 Maharashtra elections were rigged to favor the BJP and that Bihar is next.
बार चुनाव की घोषणा के पहले ही राहुल गांधी जी सरेंडर हो गए हैं, जिसे सरेंडर कहते हैं ना, बिहार के लोगों के सामने वो हो गए हैं, क्योंकि वो चुनाव लड़ने की पोजीशन में भी नहीं है। कांग्रेस के पास और राजद के पास चुनाव में उतारने के लिए प्रत्याशियों का अकाल पड़ा हुआ है, इसलिए वो अपनी हार का अभी से ही पूरा ड्रामा बना रहे हैं कि भाई हार का ठीकरा किस पे फोड़ेंगे। तो अब वो बार बार ईसीआई के ऊपर दोष देते हैं।
And my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal is now joining us on this story with more details. Aishwarya, how has the Election Commission responded to the allegations that were put by Rahul Gandhi?
From what we are understanding, it's not just one response that the Election Commission has given. It's a 6-point rebuttal that the Election Commission has now given. And they are saying that what you really need to do is ask your polling agents. And that's the fact, because we have seen in all the elections, there are polling agents that are present. Not just that, the Election Commission also goes ahead and says that at the time when the appeal can be made, and let me just break it down for you. If you think that there is something wrong, then the first appeal goes to the DM, that is the district magistrate. The second appeal then goes to the CEO. Now, Rahul Gandhi has been maintaining this fact that there are close to 9 crore voters. So out of these 9 crore voters, just imagine the number of appeals that have gone. Only 89 at the DM level and barely 1 at the CEO level. The Election Commission said our doors are still open. If you want to come and appeal, why are you not coming and appealing? Because then we will make sure that the investigation takes place. The Election Commission has also been saying that the polling agents, all those who are present at each and every polling station, why did they not inform you at the moment? Also, they are saying that the revision of the polls is done not once but 4 times in a year. That's the time also when you can raise an appeal. That is also something that you have not done. Rahul Gandhi now has been asked questions by the Election Commission and they're saying our doors are open. If you want, you can come and appeal.